Hello my friends! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet block stitch. It's quite easy to learn because we'll use only basic stitches. On my website you will find a written pattern for this stitch, a diagram and 2 colorways I've created. All the links are in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. I've got my yarn and hook here, but remember that you can use any type of yarn for this project. I will be using 2 colors, green and blue. I recommend you to choose at least 2 colors, but you can go for more than that, of course. To start, make a slip knot and chain multiple of 2. I decided to go with 16 chain stitches. Now add 3 more chains. This will be your turning chain. Find 4th stitch counting from the hook, yarn over and work 1 double crochet there. When you have 3 loops on your hook, pull the yarn through 2 and through another 2. Now work 1 double crochet in each stitch of the starting chain. I will meet you at the end of the row. This is my last double crochet of the row. I'm going to take my hook out now, but I don't want the stitches to unravel, so I leave this long loop here. We've got our base now, so it's time to work our dots. I will show you what I mean by that. Take another color of yarn and go back to the beginning of the row. We are going to work it on the right side again without turning the piece over. Make a slip knot and insert your hook between chains and the first double crochet. Now grab the yarn and pull it towards you. Work these 2 loops like a single crochet. Now make 2 chains. Now count 3 double crochets and find the place between the 3rd and 4th one. That's where we are going to work our stitch, 1 single crochet. Great, now repeat 2 chain stitches, skip 3 double crochets, work 1 single crochet between the stitches. Continue like so until the end of the row. I will meet you there. As you can see, I've got the last 4 double crochets left. It means that my last single crochet should be here. I'm going to cut the yarn after every row of dots. If you would prefer to carry it on the side, you can, but follow my lead for now and see how this stitch is constructed. You will then be able to decide for yourself. Now let's go back to the green yarn and put the loop back on the hook. Start this row with 3 chain stitches and turn the work. Now this stitch gets only easier to crochet because we are going to work in these chain spaces. Yarn over and work 3 double crochets in the nearest chain space. Now repeat it in each chain space until the end of the row. I will meet you there. I've got the last 3 double crochets ready. Now we aim for the top stitch of the turning chain. Work 1 double crochet there to finish this row. It's time to work another row of dots, but it's your choice where you will start it. If you want all the stitches to look the same, start on the right side. It may be a little bit tricky at first, but you will get a hang of it with the repetition. As with the previous row of dots, start with a slip knot and work a single crochet between the first and the second stitch of the row. Then proceed with the row, chain 2, now aim for the space between the 3s of double crochets and work 1 single crochet there. This place is nicely visible, so you don't even have to count the stitches. Cut the yarn at the end of the row. Continue repeating these 2 rows one by one. You can go on with 2 colors or try changing them for each row of blocks. If you need inspiration in this matter, check out my blog post in which you will find 2 color palettes I've created especially for this stitch. And that's it! Now you know how to crochet block stitch. Use it for crochet blankets, home decor or accessories, and don't be afraid to experiment with colors. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!